My video tutorial is about getting rid of the new adware called QuanticFit. QuanticFit is the adware that is the part of the adload family. QuanticFit adware, once installed, may display a lot of pretty intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. If this QuanticFit adware was found on your computer, definitely your system will be functioning in a very slow manner, especially if you use your browsers, because you may see many advertisements that are really annoying, excessive, and also your browser may periodically redirect you to many deceptive pages on the web. So if you have found this QuanticFit on your system, you need to get rid of it, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to research your device with Combo Cleaner that can be found on the website combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install it and start researching the system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.